Hi everyone, welcome to Red One Cooking Channel. So today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy, delicious and healthy salad. So about the ingredients, let's go to the market, see what we need for that. Okay, let's go.
اوكي سيادنا. غادي نحتاجو الافوكادو كما شفتوا هنايا كيكونوا شري 4-5 دولار. اوكي سيادنا، غادي نحتاجو الخس ميكس وهذا غناخدو مقطع مكعب يعني. غادي نحتاجو البيض وغادي نحتاجو الفرماج ديالنا اللي كنقلب عليه موزاريلا. هذا صافي. بالنسبة للخل غادي ناخدو balsamic vinegar. هذا
Hi everyone, so I'm done from the market, so see you soon, okay? See ya. Hey again. So I just come back from outside after I got all what I need. So about the ingredients for this recipe, let's see what we have and let's go start for the recipe we need. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, as for the recipe for today is salad with Natura green for weight loss. Okay, let's see what we have here. So we have spring mix, we have fresh mozzarella cheese, we have baby tomato, we have Natura green Spiruline. This product is really amazing and it's very good for our body. Okay, so we'll talk later about this product. We have 2 boiled eggs, we have fresh cucumber, avocado. So about the dressing, it's coming with garlic, parsley, rosemary, and salt, black pepper, olive oil, lemon juice, and balsamic red wine vinaigrette. So that's the ingredients we have for today. And we're gonna start with the dressing first. Okay? Let's go. Okay guys. So we're gonna start with the dressing first, okay? We have parsley first. And then I will add rosemary. And then I add salt. And then I add black pepper. Then add garlic. So garlic is optional. So now turn for the Natura green Spirulina. So this product is really amazing. So Spirulina, the purest product, is the best plant supplement integrated in the whole nature. Is twice as rich in iron from Spirulina on the market. How to use it? You can mix it with the cup of water, juice or yogurt, salad, smoothie, cereal, or gold greenhouse. So the best things to preserve these ingredients in spirulina should be used without heat. Spirulina present in the market contains heavy minerals and is not rich in the vitamins contained in this spirulina. So this spirulina is good for our health, it's good for our body. By the way, as you can see, for how many vitamins has this products. Let's finish this. So, I'm gonna add lemon juice. Add oil. And then a red wine vinegar is balsamic. So, as you can see guys, Natura Green Native is unique spirulina that provides vitality and wellness. A natural source of iron, antioxidants, minerals, trace elements, and vitamins. And about the storage, should be stored away from light and heat. So about average nutritional composition for 100 grams, as you can see, the energy and total fat and storage fat, total carbohydrates and sugar is 0, and fiber and protein and salt. As you can see guys here. So this will start now. So we put teaspoon and then we will mix it, okay? As you can see guys, Spirulina is the purest product, as the best plant supplement and integrated in the all natural. It is twice as rich in iron from Spirulina on the market. How to use it? You can mix it with a cup of water or juice or yogurt or salad, smoothie or cereal or cold greenhouse. So the best things to preserve the ingredients in spirulina should be used without heat. Spirulina present in the market contains heavy minerals and is not rich in the vitamins contained in this spirulina. So this Natura Green or Natura Forever, it will be next month with Exilius name, and it will be in the United States in the next month. So this is a really amazing product for our health. Okay guys, so we have spring mix, we're gonna put on top of it fresh cucumber, and then I will add baby tomato, and then I I will add avocado. And then add boiled eggs. And then add fresh mozzarella cheese. And then, like you can see, the dressing. Then we get the dressing. Really smells good. So as you can see, the salad is ready for serve. The really the dressing smell very good. It's really a healthy salad. And awesome. Okay guys, the salad is ready for serve. As you can see, I make it almost for 5 minutes. It's very healthy salad. I wish you like it. And as you know, most of the food we eat daily are unhealthy. So we need to know what we eat. Okay? So the good things for the salad is Natura green. So this product Natura green, Spiruline or Natura forever, and next month it will be Exili's name, and it's gonna be in United States soon. Okay, so already I tried it. I feel very strong, and I feel I have a lot of energy. It's really amazing. I like it much. So if you like to reach me by WhatsApp, you're gonna see my WhatsApp in the end of my video. So don't forget to share the video and click the like and subscribe. So don't forget to share this video if you like it. So if this is the first time you watch this channel, try to be subscribed. And I hope everyone feel healthy. And I will see you in next video if the God is well. Okay? So thanks for watching. Have a good one.